You know, when it comes to glassware, people's attention goes straight to the exotic vessels, the shot glasses of this world, the champagne flutes. But really, in the end, the average person just needs a small set of really good drinking glasses. Today on the channel, we're going to take a look at the IKEA POKAL drinking glass. These are good glasses, and I want to tell you about it. So if you want to see why I think that, let's get going. So the IKEA POKAL is a glass tumbler, a tempered glass tumbler. It comes in 3 sizes at IKEA. A 9-ounce size, which is 4 inches tall, a 12-ounce size, which is 6 inches tall, and a 22-ounce size, which is 7 inches tall. I prefer the clear kind. That's the color that I bought. But these days you can buy clear, you can buy pink, and you can also buy turquoise. According to the IKEA website, these are made of tempered glass. They are dishwasher safe. They're also microwave safe, and they contain no cadmium or lead. IKEA recommends a maximum temperature of 248 degrees Fahrenheit, but most importantly, they note that this is tempered glass. So what is tempered glass and why does that matter? Tempered glass is glass that has been treated with heat, mostly, in order to make it stronger. Tempered glass is approximately 4 to 5 times stronger than non-tempered glass. That's gonna matter if you drop your glass. The other thing that tempering glass does, it eliminates the microscopic air bubbles that form in glass. So when your glass is changing temperature, it is less likely to suffer damage from cracking because of the temperature change if you temper it. So to be clear, there are other materials that drinking vessels are made from these days. You can buy a drinking vessel that's made of acrylic, it won't break. You can buy a drinking vessel that's made of silicone, it won't break. But I like drinking from glass. I like drinking from these glasses. These glasses have a simple and iconic design that's super sturdy and it's really easy to grab. I drink beer in these glasses. In fact, they will hold 1 bottle of beer perfectly, the 12-ounce size will. I drink water from these glasses. I drink lattes from these glasses. I even drink wine from these glasses. So one thing I don't do is freeze them. I know a lot of people freeze a glass before they put a drink in it. Let's say a mimosa, for example. So I was curious. I threw one in the freezer for you and pulled it out. It froze nicely and didn't crack when it was warming up. I guess that's the tempered glass doing its thing. So look, in the end, it's rare that I recommend anything from IKEA. Generally speaking, I find a lot of their products to be lacking in durability and longevity, and that always rubs me the wrong way. I know it's cheap and sometimes it looks good, but if it doesn't last, to me, it's not worth buying. These glasses are actually quite good. I have to give a tip of the hat to IKEA on this. I've been using them long enough to know. They are sturdy, they will stand up without spilling, they are comfortable in your hand. Because they're tempered glass, if you do happen to tip one over, it's less likely to break. Now, IKEA does put a warning on the website. Because they're tempered glass, if they get scratched or they get a ding in them somewhere, that creates a weakness that can cause them to shatter. So you do want to be careful of that, but they also note that if they do break, they won't break into giant shards that might be more dangerous. It's really more of a shattering scenario, which, I don't know, I don't really want either. But I gotta say, these are much stronger glasses than many other glasses that I have owned. No other brand of glassware has made it this long with me in my life than these. Best part, it's pretty cheap. And it's easy to recommend to you guys because most of you have an IKEA somewhere near you or online, so ordering them isn't that hard. There's an upside to IKEA after all. So how about you? Do you own any IKEA glassware? If you do, how's it going? I want to hear all those comments. Please leave them in the comments section below. And hey, after you leave a comment, please feel free to like or subscribe. Both those things really help a channel out, and if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. And until next week, take care, stay safe, have fun with your DIY projects, and I'll see you next Saturday.